Now listen carefully. Read the question. Look at the screen. Achyut. Screen. One question is written. Oh, today's which examination? Achyut. Hari can study
Physics,
after
ma'am.
physics. That's okay. Simple subject. Okay. Send it back now. Okay, now let's see this question. For I in range 1, comma 5. So outer loop 5 times. Any doubt? Outer loop 5 times? No, outer loop not 5 times. Outer loop 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. It won't work till 5, isn't it? I won't let you to study physics, Achyut. Yeah, listen here. For j in range 1, comma 5. So each time inner loop will execute 4 times. Okay. And the display is i's value will be displayed, j's value will be displayed. So let's see how to go with it. Now I won't say anything. You just understand what is this programming each and every page. Okay. Okay. So I will go with Meghna. Meghna says okay. I will go to the next page. Meghna, okay? Yes. Output is printed. Okay? Meghna? Yes. Once it is printed, then J will increase. Should be increased because first inner loop should complete, should be executed fully. Then again one print. Still the blue color thing is continuing, looping. Where is the blue color? There is the execution. There is the control. Four. Till 4 it will go, isn't it? Value will be printed. Why there is no blue color on the screen? Because now the value of j reached to 4, which is the last value in sequence. So loop will end and control moves to outer loop. Because 4 will increment to 5. So loop will exit. So where the control gone? Control gone to outer loop. And who incremented? I got incremented. Now again inner loop starts from 1. So inner loop always starts with the initial value. Then how many times this will execute, Achyut? Inner loop?
4 times.
4 times. Very good. Okay, 1 time. That way, each and every time inner loop will execute 4 times. Outer loop, 1, 2, I will be. When I is equal to 1, inner loop will execute 4 times. When I is equal to 2, inner loop will execute 4 times. When I is equal to 3, inner loop will execute. That is how it works. Hope you understood the execution of nested loop. Now let's move to some color programs. As I said, screen sharing is paused. Why? Okay. Python is a language where you can see lots of designs. It is used for animation, it is used for gaming, it is used for, what is it, web designing. artificial intelligence, robotics. So in Python, there is, we can see main.py on the screen, isn't it? Isn't it, Dia? Main.py. So that means it's a Python code, py. If there is the extension is .py, it's a Python code. So many modules, many libraries are available in Python, so that you can do it as a flexible language. You can do anything using that. So one of the, we have a Panda library, and you have Pickle library. Here it is, Turtle library. So you know turtle, tortoise. So that's the library name. So you need to import it. So this is a different kind of program. You don't have to study in your syllabus, but still it is a Python program. So this here, this program, what you can see, we can see nested loop here, isn't it? For j in range 1, 100, for I in range 1, 6. From here, what did you understand? Outer loop will work. How many times outer loop will work, Amal Raj? Outer loop will work 99 times, isn't it? Inner loop will work 5 times. Okay. Actually, it's a star program. My pen dot left means pen will be moved. Pen, see, just a pen. Pen will be rotated to 144 degree. That is the meaning of 144. Okay. My pen dot forward means it will draw a line in forward direction 200 pixels. 200 pixels. So a line will be drawn. Again, left 5 means
Ma'am,
it will,
so
yes.
instead of centimeters, you are giving pixel.
Ah, yes. It's not centimeter actually. It's pixel, means each and every dot on the screen is called a pixel. Okay. So it will draw. So left means, suppose the turtle is this, and the pointer will rotate. That is the meaning of left. Okay. 144. Forward means it will draw a line the forward direction. Wherever it is, the pointer is, it will forward, line will be drawn. And if it will be rotating, then another line will be drawn. So that is how this works. So let's see. So from where I took this control of, just a moment. Okay. So let's see the how this is working. This is a for loop. So you just understand. The color is given as, actually the color is red. It will change to red. We can write any color. Oh my God. I hope this will work. Red. So this is how the program is, a star. How many times star will be drawn? Meghna, how many times?
99.
99 stars will be drawn. Each star is inside the inner loop. Inner loop will work 5 times. That is, 5 sides for the star. Okay. So 99 means it will complete the rotation. You can see a pointer that is called the turtle pointer. It won't work in your online compiler. You need Spider. You need to install Spider in order to work on this. Or you have to use this particular 101computing.net. There also, this online compiler also, it will work. So color you can change to any other color. That is okay. Instead of red, you can change it to blue, yellow. Many colors are available. In order to, if you want to give some other different types of colors, then you can use a RGB in bracket. Speed 0 means maximum speed. It is 99 times it worked. It will stop. So that is how this works. 99 times the star. Each and every star. Each star 99 times. So it will take time. So we stop it here. And let me change the, so you have to know the working of nested for loop. So let's give the color as blue. Then let's give, instead of 100, 10 stars. 1,6 is compulsory because 5, you need 5 sides for the star. So speed, I'm changing it to 1. So speed will decrease. 0 means the maximum speed. Now let's run the program. Oh, blue, I did not enclose it in double quotes. That's why error. Okay. See, rotating. Inner loop is working. 144. Okay, this is 144 rotation. Now inner loop forward 200 pixels. That is inner loop is working.
Speed is 1.
So one line is drawn. Now i's value became 2. Again 144 rotation. So that means inner loop should complete.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what is the speed?
Speed means you can change the speed how this turtle is moving. Turtle moving speed. That is the meaning of speed. It was 0. Now I changed to 1. So speed decreased. Maximum is 0. So now the inner loop is working. So I became, now I is 2. I means the inner loop variable name in this example is I. Again 144 degree it is rotating because it is given dot left inside the inner for loop. And forward 200 pixels. That is called the turtle pointer. If you install simply turtle software, then you can see a turtle symbol itself. This is turtle inside Python. So you can see in this arrow format. So here inner for loop is executing. How many? Now 2 more execution is left. So 5 times, now I became 5. So executing one more time. So 5 times inner loop executed. So now the inner loop completed, then which statement will get executed? My pen dot left 5. So you can see my pen dot left 5. Only 5 pixels. Now it went to outer loop actually after this. Five means only a little bit. So again, another star is starting. Again, it entered into inner loop. Again, there how many? Again, one star will be drawn. Inner loop will execute 5 times. Another star will be drawn there. Okay. In that way, how many stars will be drawn? How many stars will be drawn? 10 stars because we have written, sorry, 9 stars. Hope it is clear to you, the loop working.
Yes, ma'am.
So always is inner loop executes, then only outer loop. So one star will be drawn inside inner loop. My pen dot left, my pen dot forward. Only the variables are different here. You can write any variable here. Okay. So I'll show you some more examples of this stop here. There is only one, we can see only one for loop. There's another program. One for loop. Stopped. So this thing executed only once. So that is what in for loop it is written my pen dot right, my pen dot left, my pen dot pen up. So lots of things got performed and you got the answer like this. This is a single star, only one for loop. You want single star. If you want multiple stars, then you can go for inner loop. Then you can have different stars with different values. Flower, different stars. So what was the previous value? We'll write it and let's see. Speed 0.5. So I'll get another value. Speed increased a little more. See how many times it executed? 9 actually. So we have written 1 comma 10. So 9 times star executed, not complete. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually, it's 9. But when you are drawing a star, we will feel like it worked many times. But actually, only 9 times it worked because we have written j in range 1 comma 10. So when we change the looping values, it will change it accordingly. So any other trial anyone want to do here? So if you change the values, you will get some other thing as answer. Next.
Ma'am,
Yes.
if we give like another for loop inside, means we can change the colors also
Yes, of course. You can
in
change the colors.
different colors.
Yes, different colors. Then I will give you an example, but you don't have to study much. So that's why I'm not giving you much. Some more examples. Okay, here. Coding is available with this, but oh my God. There's something else. Okay, it's made. Because everything is possible using this Python programming. So this is another example. So you can see lots of coding here. Okay. But again, for loop. See a for loop, Achut. You can see nested for loop here also. So any place you go, you can see this loop. So without loops, you can't do any programming. Okay, that's the importance of a for loop. If you search for some turtle programming using nested for loop, you can see a lot of programs. You just asked me for colors, right? Colors. Let me search it and I will let you know. Okay. Let me pause it. Question is this. Are you able to see this? Hello?
No, no, ma'am. Not shared.
Not share. Display. Okay. Display this. That's your question. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1. Pattern. Ashish, Anjo, Elvina, everyone try this out. Emmanuel. Shivani. And try it in your, after writing and try it in your online compiler also, so that you can confirm your answer. There is programmers online compiler name. If you have finished it, you can share the screen Share screen is enabled. You can share the screen. Emmanuel, are you ready? Amal Raj. Achit.
No, ma'am. I'm trying.
Okay. Then it's okay. You just do it as a homework. Okay. Do it as a homework. No worries. So try it out. Okay. Then see you. Bye bye. It's fine.
Thank you, ma'am.
All the best for your examination. Bye.